Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best TV antennas on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Wiegard FlatWave Amp. The Wiegard FL5500 FlatWave Amp Digital H Indoor Amplified TV Antenna is a standout choice for anyone looking to cut the cord and access a wide array of broadcast channels. What makes it truly impressive is its capacity to capture more channels compared to its competitors. Not only does it pull in a broader range of channels, but the ones it does receive tend to be stronger and more reliable, which significantly enhances your TV viewing experience. This amplified indoor antenna is equipped with features like 4K readiness and ATSC 3.0 readiness, ensuring that your TV can keep up with the latest technologies. Moreover, with a long-range capability of up to 60 miles, it's a top-tier option for those seeking a high-quality antenna for their TV needs. Number 2. Antennas Direct DB80. The Antennas Direct DB80, or DB80, is a powerful television antenna designed to deliver exceptional reception while offering versatility in its application. Not only does it boast a visually striking appearance, but its reception capabilities are equally remarkable. With 2 antenna arrays, this large and heavy antenna is engineered to capture weak signals with precision. Additionally, it's designed to be used in areas with varying reception qualities, allowing you to point it toward towers in different directions. This level of adaptability makes it an ideal choice for those living in regions with challenging signal conditions, ensuring that you receive a wide range of channels. The Antennas Direct DB80 is a top-performing antenna that combines functionality and aesthetics, making it an excellent option for your television needs. Number 3. Channel Master Flatenna 35. The Channel Master Flatenna is a cost-effective solution for cord cutters living in close proximity to their desired broadcast towers. If your local television stations are within a reasonable distance, this non-amplified antenna can help you access over-the-air channels without breaking the bank. During our review, Channel Master was offering a fantastic deal, priced at just $10 plus $7.50 for shipping. Although the direct from the manufacturer cost has seen a slight increase to $20 plus shipping, it still remains a budget-friendly choice for those seeking to eliminate cable or satellite TV subscriptions and embrace free over-the-air broadcasts. Number 4. Wiegard Elite. The Wiegard Elite 7550 HD TV antenna is a powerhouse when it comes to channel reception. During our testing, it outperformed its competitors by capturing a wide array of broadcast channels, and it excelled in providing strong signals. This outdoor antenna is equipped with a built-in amplifier, ensuring excellent performance across both VHF high and UHF broadcast bands. Given its size, the Wiegard Elite 7550 is best suited for installation in your attic or on the exterior of your home. Its impressive 70-mile range opens up access to channels that might be more challenging to capture with fewer antennas, and the high-quality construction ensures durability and longevity even when exposed to outdoor conditions. Number 5. Ultravision Transparent. The 2023 Ultravision H digital TV antenna is an excellent choice for local TV reception in areas with strong signals. Its unique transparent design not only provides efficient performance but also adds a touch of modern aesthetics to your home. With a remarkable range of over 300 miles, this antenna can capture a wide array of local channels, ensuring that you have access to high-quality over-the-air content. Whether you use it with your smart TV, Fire TV stick, or other compatible devices, this antenna supports stunning 4K and 1080p video quality. The included signal amplifier further enhances its performance, allowing you to enjoy a crystal-clear picture and sound. With the Ultravision antenna, you can access a variety of HDTV local channels, making it a smart addition to your home entertainment setup. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.